Hey guys, I want to go through the just the flow of the deals. So the marketing comes in. So right away, if we know the lead is bad, we get rid of that. The lead manager does that, which right now is me. I can try and train you guys on stuff like condos, stuff like that. But good leads, we want to do the acquisition call number one. That's where we build rapport. We go through the 6 steps. Which are, building rapport, upfront agreement. We ask, questions just to understand their situation, and again, continue to build rapport. Find out about the property, do the virtual walkthrough. We don't talk about price at all, and then we enter that back in the CRM. This whole flow is all from Matt Larson from his event. So this whole flow goes in, and then it goes back to the lead manager, and then sometimes we don't want to offer and we mark it dead, or sometimes we create an MAO. So once it see here, it goes back to the CRM, and then maximum offer allowed. So that's when the lead manager creates the MAO, and then it goes back to the acquisition manager for the second call. And usually it's best for the same person that did the acquisition call one and build rapport to do the offer, because it's kind of weird when it switches to somebody else and that new person doesn't have rapport. But let me show you a little bit. So this right here, this lead was marked as a new lead. But as you can see, Kyle was trying to contact them. So I want to make sure that we're updating the stage of leads, these right. So, a lead comes in and it's automatically marked as new leads. If we know that it's hot, then we mark it into this hot lead right here. Actually, I reordered this. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I reordered this on purpose. Okay. So if we know it's hot, we'll mark it as a hot lead. If we are attempting to contact them, I want to put it into this attempting to contact. So this first contact is where we build rapport and report the information back into Podio, and we asked for an MAO. So as soon as you do that, then it needs to be marked as an MAO needed. Once the lead manager gets back with the MAO is ready to offer. Now, I put an MAO on this, but we haven't completed step one. We haven't even contacted them to build rapport. So we can't just go send an offer to them without building rapport. It's not going to work that way. So again, it starts off as a new lead. If it's hot, we can mark it hot. And then we attempt to contact them, which is building rapport. That's that first call. We go through the 6 steps, and we'll dig more into training on the 6 steps. Once we do that, then that information about the property and their situation and everything is entered into Podio, and then we mark it as MAO needed, which the lead manager will go in and add the MAO, and then the lead manager marks it as MAO ready for offer, and then the acquisition manager does the second call, which is to offer, and that's when it comes into this in the offer app. And then it goes, if they counter, the seller counters, it goes into that counter. And then if we get it under contract, it goes into contracts app, and then like deal closed. So that's just a quick deal flow I wanted to go through. And again, the next training I want to do is really dig into the 6 steps.